What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Coinbase Global with the ticker symbol COIN. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Coinbase maybe is going to be a leading indicator for Bitcoin and MicroStrategy because it's selling off. And as you can see here, it's tracking to reach this trend line right over here. Let me show you guys that right now. This trend line off of these three swings right here. This is kind of like the arrow, but we can use it as a trend line, which is currently at the the mid 200 level, so 242. There's obviously this measurement target higher got invalidated. One leg up right here, second leg up. It did push up higher, as you can see here. We had two green candles, but this downward trend line was a strong force, and price was not able to break through it, and obviously it sold off lower. So this is invalidated now. So most likely we're going to see obviously lower targets to keep in mind, 247, 242, and maybe even one larger leg down, one leg down right here, second leg down. This one's currently right around the $200 level. So who knows if it'll get that bearish. There is a gap right here that can be filled, but that is a target as of right now. I think we can go for more nearer term targets first. This is all one large drop right here, second large drop, and this one is almost met at the 256 level. So again, looking for a little bit more downside for Coinbase to 256, 246, and then if that doesn't hold, we may break down all the way to the lower 200 level. So overall, Coinbase is looking bearish until proven otherwise. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. Here's the weekly chart for Coinbase, and we set the first angle right here off these three swings, and now we set the second angle off of these two swings, and the third angle is still to be seen. We have not set it yet. It was possible it could be these swings right here, and maybe we're going to bounce off of this, 247 level, mid 240 level, and then continue higher, maybe something like this. Bounce, don't reach the measure target, and then rally. But as right now, we haven't set it yet. It's not confirmed. So we'll see where it confirms at. Is it going to be at this angle, or are we still going to retrace back down to the second angle? Second angle is unlikely as right now, so let's keep this up on the chart until invalidated. And again, let's take a look at a long-term measurement target. One leg up right here, second leg up. This one's right around the $400 level, and most likely we could probably even exceed that as well in the future. But this is tracking $400 by December of 2025. So again, we might not see a huge move up for Coinbase. Let's take a look at the log scale. If you look at the log scale, the target was much higher. Let's take a look at this leg right here. 1, 2, drag this up, target met, and then you make a bigger leg, one leg up right here, second leg up, and this one was right around the $1,200 level, $1,200 to $1,300, $1,200 to $1,300 by the same time frame. So again, it needs to see a massive move up soon, so to reach those targets. So that's all I have for Coinbase on the daily and weekly charts. Looks to be kind of leading the crypto space right now. Even alts are looking pretty bearish. So there's a good chance Bitcoin is also going to drop down lower. And also MicroStrategy or strategy. So that's all I have for Coinbase Global on the daily and weekly charts. Expecting more downside. Let's see if we can find support at the targets I mentioned, and then we can see the trend resume higher. I still think this is an uptrend, and most likely we will see higher prices in the future. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.